For centuries, humanity has explored the mysteries of life. Today, through synthetic biology and nanotechnology, we are no longer just observers, but engineers of life itself. Synthetic biology combines biology, engineering, and computer science to design new biological components. At the heart of this revolution is the precise manipulation of DNA, enabling us to reprogram life for medical breakthroughs, sustainable energy, and advanced computing. Nanotechnology enhances genetic engineering through nanoscale networks, facilitating ultra-precise drug delivery and real-time monitoring of cellular processes. Coupled with AI, we are decoding and predicting genetic patterns like never before. The Human Gene Database represents a monumental step in genomic research. It is a structured repository where genes are encoded into computational functions, allowing AI-driven analysis and real-time intervention in genetic disorders. The fusion of synthetic biology, nanotechnology, and artificial intelligence is reshaping the boundaries of science. The future is not just about understanding life, but about engineering it.